Hello, today I'm going to show you how to add a Google form to your Touch Stay Guidebook using custom elements. For this example, I'm going to add a Google form for car registration. This is because my property has a shared car park and I need to register each guest's car to make sure they are approved for access when they arrive. So I'm going to add this to the arrival information category. To do this, I'm going to click on the drop-down to expand, and I'm going to add this to the subcategory called Planning Your Arrival. I click on the drop-down here, and I go to Add Topic, and I'm going to use the Your Own Topic option. Great. Now with any custom element you want to add, you can put in as much text information as you wish, but because I know this Google form already has all of the information that my guests need to know to complete the form, I'm just going to go straight to the menu and click Custom Element. This opens up the Insert Custom Element box, and because I'm creating a new custom element for this Google form, I'm going to click Add New Element. This opens up the menu to add a new custom element. The first thing to do is to choose the third-party service that I'm adding. As I've already mentioned, it's a Google form that I want to add, so I click Google Form. You can see an element code name has been automatically populated for me. I'm going to edit this so I know exactly which custom element this is referring to, because I'm sure I'll add many custom elements over time and I need to keep straight which one is which. So I'm going to call this car registration. Great. Now I need to get the Google form share link. So to do that, I need to leave TouchStay and go into my Google form. In order to get the sharing link, I need to click on the send button here. This opens up the sending menu and the different sharing options. I'm going to click here on the link icon. This gives me the link to my Google form. I click copy and it's automatically copied for me. Now I'm going to drop back into TouchStay and I simply paste in the Google form here. Now, the standard element height has been chosen for me. This means it'll look great when the guest is viewing this in my guidebook. I can come back here anytime to adjust this height to make the form appear taller or shorter, but for now I'm going to use the standard. I click Save. My element has been successfully created, and I click Insert. Wonderful. And you can see that this custom element looks just like any regular field code. Now I need to make sure this topic has a title, and because it's about car registration, I'm going to call it car registration. I'll scroll down, and then the last thing to do here is to choose which tag this topic needs to have applied to it. So because this car park and the registration requirements are for one of my properties called Casa Jane, I'm going to choose the Casa Jane tag, and that's it. I click Submit, and my custom element within my topic is created. Now, let's go and have a look at this in the guest view. To do this, I click on Preview Guides, I go to Casa Jane. This opens up my guidebook on the desktop, but is showing me the guests view. I'm going to click Get Started. I can see the planning information category. I can see the check-in instructions, and here as I scroll down, I can see car registration topic, which includes the embedded Google form. And here, my guests can go in and add in the information about their car. And they can also give me their email address, so I can link this information to their registration and make sure their car is registered. Wonderful. This is just one example of the type of Google form that you can embed into your Touch Stay Guidebook using custom elements.